Hey, I wanted to try out if Python is suitable for speech recognition. This is mostly related with Python Aero meetup part B that we're going to have tomorrow. So I found this video in YouTube that basically shows a package called speech recognition. It integrates with many these services like Microsoft Bing, IBM, Google. So I wanted to know if that works, so I'm gonna try to install it. In this case, the package is already there. I import it, I create a recognizer. I'm gonna use a label to show messages to instead of using print. The label will be shown there in the screen. And now, this piece of code basically uses a context manager with the source and object, and we'll put the microphone emoticon, speak now, and like a record emoticon. Audio is r.listen source, and then the magic happens here in Recognize Google. There are other services, but those need some login or key or something. So if the text is recognized, it will show the brain and text, and if you didn't say anything, this exception will be thrown, and basically will show this message. And if any other exception occurs, we will have the text of the message and also the type. Okay, let's do it. Turn the lights on. Okay, it seemed it worked. I hope you enjoyed this short video.